Getting ready for the most epic adventure, hot air balloon ride in the desert. Where are you headed?
Back into the city. You need a ride?
Getting ready for the most epic adventure, hot air balloon ride in the desert. Look at those. This is gonna be ours. And the sun is rising right now. This is amazing. I can't even describe what this is like right now. Sitting here watching some of these hot air balloons. Ours appears to be one of the biggest ones, so it's taking a little bit longer. And let me give you this view right here. Tell me this isn't so gorgeous.
We are trying this again.
Get ready, please. Remember to not look up.
Okay, for the first few minutes, don't look up, yeah? There is some sand in the air.
Run away, run away.
Okay, can we practice our landing positions, please, everybody? Carabiners on, landing position.
Here we go. We're getting ready to go up on our balloon. It's finally happening. Yay! Oh my gosh, this is so exciting. This is our This was such a memorable experience. It was just so amazing to see the Dubai Conservation Desert from up here. And gosh, this experience, this is a must if you're in Dubai. Just to give you some information, and we'll of course share details in the description, but they picked us up from our hotel super early, drove us to our meeting spot. They had this amazing light show in the morning. And it was accompanied by coffee and dates. So cool while we were waiting for the rest of the folks that were going to be joining us on the hot air balloon. Then, of course, this experience just, so magical. And after this, it keeps going. So this is something that we booked through Viator, the Viator. Have you guys heard of this company before? They're really amazing, and we've used them for several trips. Have you used them before? Leave a comment below and let us know what experience you've done with them before.
And now we go the other way, opposite direction, yeah? Higher up.
We're really high. This is pretty awesome though. Let's see if we can We have arrived. Couldn't have asked for a better landing. Our basket stood up the whole time.
Okay, everybody. Everybody enjoy?
Yes.
Oh, thank you.
Pilot Mike, he did a fantastic job. There's our trusty balloon. Dubai has not disappointed. Amazing. Super cool. It's time for our Land Rover ride. Everybody has piled into different ones.
I only have 5. I was gonna use the red one, but
the camp for breakfast. Very pretty indeed. There's already some folks that have arrived. I know this guy. Let's see what they have for breakfast. Some seasonal fruit. Dumplings. Breakfast has been served. Let's take a look and see what we have. We got quite the spread here. We've got some tea, some fruits, some cold cuts and cheeses. We have an English breakfast. What do we have here? An omelet? Or
An eggs Benedict.
eggs Benedict. This is a proper breakfast. And look how cute. This is the tent that we're having breakfast in. This is pretty awesome. All right, let's eat. Well, let's see what we got here. Hey, what's happening?
Got me a Land Rover.
It's a nice one. Where are you headed?
Back into the city. You need a ride?
Yeah, if I can move through the sand.
Yeah.
Look at this ride. This is pretty cool. So we just got to have breakfast and hang out with a falcon, right? Falcon. His handler was from South Africa. And now we're just enjoying a little fun before we head back. But we're gonna go check out these guys over here. Look how cute they are. Let's see if they want to say hi. And there you have it. What did you think of this week's video? If you enjoyed it, you know what to do. Make sure you like, comment, and of course, subscribe to see what our next adventures will be. Thanks.